Hey guys, George Fuller Parks After Dark. We are here at Old Key West Resort. And one of the things that really stands out at Old Key West Resort is Conch Flats. It's their general store, it's their merchandise store. Very different, very unique. I want to go in, show you it. I really love the energy in the space. They were one of the first places to have resort-specific merchandise, resort-specific lounge flies and spirit jerseys. I want to show you all that. It's a DVC resort. There's a lot of DVC stuff in here, but let's go take a look. All right, so we're gonna walk in now into our Conch Flats. It is right off the entrance where you come in. Boop. And boom.
Hi there.
How are you?
Hi.
Hi, we love Disney people. So right now,
I love doing that. When everybody comes in, I always do this.
we love people. More people waving. This is a great spot. So guys, we love this space. So listen, real quick. We're in. We came immediately to the right because we're getting in the way of the door. A lot of Disney type merchandise. So here you have all the heavy Disney sweatshirts. Now I will tell you honestly, at $79.99, that is my favorite sweatshirt. That olive one, awesome. It's about to be the surface of the sun hot in Florida. So that is not necessary for another 7 months. They have all their swim stuff, swim bathing suits, which are really neat, by the way. They're not just basic. They have Mickey and Minnie on them. So it's really kind of cute, adult as well as kid. And then we kind of come around now. Mickey and Minnie's fruit stand. Totally different. You're not seeing this anywhere else. So, look. Mickey the farmer, right? You got the mug. You got some of the best ears ever. They're oranges. Hidden orange Mickeys. The blankets. And they even have a strawberry for Minnie. Love it. Turning around, they have more stuff. They got a great little bag. And then this glass set, which is awesome. And then they have all the drinks, cups, and frames. So this is a whole little subsection of stuff they got, which brings us awesome. So they have 2026 merchandise still here. That's all here. Flip-flops, and then all your t-shirts. So that's just really cool. I love the fact that Disney's gone so much better with their t-shirts. The all-inclusive all-character design, they're bringing that in, where they bring all the characters back. So it's really kind of a neat space. We'll come straight through now, though. Here's their DVC stuff. Now, DVC, Disney Vacation Club, look. Had their own merchandise. So if you're an owner, DVC is their timeshare for Disney. It is great. So you have your big mugs and your blankets, and it's all just DVC stuff. Their own DVC ears, yes. Own DVC spirit jersey, yes. And all the welcome home stuff, which is all DVC. Now, that's great. What they do have, which is awesome, is the Old Key West stuff. Old Key West mugs, which are outstanding. If you don't look, you'll miss it. Along the handle, there's a hidden Mickey, stars, huge mug, and there's a hidden Mickey where? In the bottom of the mug. It is a great coffee mug. You know I love my coffee. So there's your sweatshirt, the Old Key West. It's a great one. And just kind of keep coming around. They have Mickey in a moon for $14.99. The hard plastic cups, a very cool muted orange. It does have Old Key West. Very subtly in there. So it's great. Panning this way, they do have, we talked about it outside. This is all continued Old Key West stuff. There is the Old Key West. Now, they have the license plate as the back of the lounge fly. Now you'll notice in all bars, especially in the Keys, for whatever reason, license plates are everywhere on the walls of these bars. Great bathrobe, great adult zippy. It's a 3/4 zip, no hood, sweat, fantastic. But man, that mug was great. That mug is unique. It's a very unique mug. Magnets and everything else. And then you come back and they have more Mickey stuff. They have the Mickey Steamboat Willie hat, and they have golf balls. Now there is an 18-hole golf course here, and it is a very, very nice golf course. What they don't have is a ton of toys or stuffies, but they have some. So this is their kind of their collection, and then we're done. So it's very focused. They do have snacks, however. Why? Because snacks make the world go around. So here's all our snacks, which are great. The character-themed snacks were such a smart idea. Then you come with your non-themed stuff. And then you just have your basic hygiene stuff as well. And then all the frozen stuff and cold stuff. Drinks and beer and waffles, gotta have waffles. And then your milks and orange juices. Now realize this is a place that have kitchens. They're since they're DVC, they have kitchens, full kitchens, so you can cook your own food. So they have where you get food here. Also get delivered here. Instacart does deliver to Disney property. Heads up on that. Here's some of their backpacks. Not a ton of backpacks. They have some of the really nice Dooney Burke purses. Not a lot of it. So what they do is they have a little sampling of everything. It makes it a really neat space. And then again, they have a little sampling of some extra mugs and extra water bottles and some books. And then they have really your shirts. Those are two great shirts. I mean, if you want to talk about Hawaiian shirts, they're just awesome. And then if you really go up to one of my favorite visors Disney makes, that's one. One of my favorite baseball hats, that's the other. And they're next to each other. It makes me love this store. So that literally is Old Key West merchandise store. So with that being, oh, real quick, if you don't notice, and you won't unless you look up, along the rafters, they have tucked in so much neat stuff. That just kind of, it's up there. So if you don't look up, you're gonna miss really just a lot of neat theming that's up real high. So take a look. But that's it, guys. George Florida Parks After Dark. We're here. Old Key West Resort. We're at the merchandise store. It is fantastic. With that being said, do me a favor. Like, subscribe. We want to get to 11,000 subscribers. Help us get there. You got us to 10. Get us to 11. And do me a favor. Comment. We love your comments. Continue to comment on all our videos. We love reading them. We love responding to them. You guys take care. Have a great day.